Hello everyone. So bear with me, this is going to be my first kind of makeup tutorial, but I had a lot of questions on how to apply the magnetic Moxie lashes that I posted maybe last week, a few days ago, I don't know, but anyways, I had a few people ask for a tutorial on how to use them just so they can kind of see how they work before they buy them. And if you're someone like me, I absolutely hate, despise putting on fake lashes. You know, the glue gets all over my face. You know, they're cockeyed, they're not on correctly. My eyes just hate them. My eyes get irritated. So when I tried the Moxie lash, the magnetic ones, I was like, oh, this is amazing. They stay put and they're a lot easier to put on than your typical fake lashes with glue. So what I have here is I have a couple different styles. So if you get like, I think it's like the starter pack or whatever, you get like a little bag to keep them in, and you get maybe one or two different styles, but the styles that I have that I'm going to show you are the Sassy Lash, which are actually a really big glam pair. I haven't even used them yet because I feel like they'd be really heavy for my eyes, and I really haven't had a place to wear them, obviously in quarantine. So the ones that I have used before and I really like are the Classy. They are a little bit smaller and a little bit more like your everyday lash because I have small eyes, I feel like, and any bigger than this kind of like overpowers them. So they come in like this little magnetic box, and there's little magnets that actually hold them onto the box and are on the lash. And I'll show you in a second how to take them off. But so there's two different sizes of their liner. You know, I have the small in black and a large in brown because, you know, I wanted to try both kinds. But I've tried both. They both work the same. I'll show you guys the black one today just so you can see it a little better. So it comes on just like a little applicator, and it's black. I don't know why it's not focusing, but oh well, figure that out later. And it also comes with the little Q-tips with this solution on it to remove the eyeliner, because I think it's like an oil-based, because you need this specific remover to remove it. I don't think normal makeup wipes will remove it because, you know, it has those little pieces of magnets in it, and then little tweezers to kind of help you pick up and apply the lash. They're a little like longer and curved than regular like eyebrow tweezers. So yeah, let's get to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and, just as you would with any other liquid eyeliner, let's see if I can do this. You're just going to apply it I don't know if you guys hear Mowgli. He's whining in the background. Okay. So, I have the liner applied. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'm gonna let it dry for a second. The first time I tried this, I didn't wait for it to dry, and it literally got everywhere. So I'm just going to pick up, hopefully, okay. So they literally just snap on there. They literally just stick to that eyeliner like awesomely. Like, so I'll pull, they are not coming off. You see the difference between the two? That's no lash. That's with the lash. Alright, so I'm going to attempt to do the other one. Let's see how this goes. Alright, so the main thing is figuring out what side the magnets are gonna stick to. So you wanna have it on your tweezers like that. And then you just kind of let it go. And the lash sticks to the liner. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys try Moxie Lash and use my code. I will put it down in the comments, and yeah, try them out.